Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing to you how you can earn $50. How you can earn $50 by just signing up to a new cryptocurrency exchange known as Swap Tobe. This Swap Tobe was released on October 14, 2021. But before we start, please do us a favor by subscribing to our channel, as it will be uplifting, and turn on the notification bell for you to know when I upload this new video. All you need to do is to go to Google Play and install the app. You can also use the website. The link to the website is on the description box. You can use the website, but for this video we'll be using the app. So you go to Google Play and install the app. For now, I have installed the app. So you need to install the app. After installing the app, you register. You input your email address. Then you put your username. You put your password and confirm your password. Then also use a referral. If anyone that refer you, you can use my referral link and put in the referral box. Select your country. For me now, I'm using my own country. You can now confirm that you are not a robot. You can confirm you are not a robot, and also you agree to their terms and policy. Confirm that I'm not a robot. Then after the confirmation that I'm not a robot, you now agree to their terms and policy and register. You click on register. Automatically you'll be sent a confirmation email to your email address. You then log into your email address and confirm. Then when you confirm, you follow the link to the email address and you click on this icon. Once you click on that icon, then it will bring you to this page. You click on wallets. Then when you click on wallets, now automatically now you have $50 worth of Swap Tobe token will be sent to you automatically to your own address. Then you go back now and log in properly. You go back to your app or your website now and log in properly with your username and your password. Then log in with your username and their password. Then you confirm you're not a robot and log in. Once you log in, automatically that your $50 worth of swap token, swap Tobe coin, which is 50,000, automatically now is now on your wallet. So they have other features. They have other features like you can refer to get extra $50 by sending a referral link or referral code to your family, friends, or anyone. You can also do KYC. Then by verification, then you also get extra $50. That's it. This is how Binance started, even trustwallet, but today there was something. Don't fail to do this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment on the comment section.